This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jeffrey Hammond. Enjoy the awesome lake views and sunsets from this second-floor Geneva model end unit at Lake Vista. This beautiful condo has been well maintained and recently painted. The open floor plan includes ceramic tile in the kitchen and newer carpeting throughout. The kitchen features a breakfast bar, pantry, with cabinets and all appliances. The laundry room is outfitted with a new washer, dryer, utility tub, storage closet and oak cabinets. Lake views from the master suite and lanai. Master bath has a built-in vanity. Wooden plantation shutters throughout the open living area and the sliding door. Upgraded lighting fixtures and ceiling fans throughout. Spacious bedrooms. This unit includes an assigned parking space in the covered garage as well as a storage locker. Lake Vista offers a serene and secluded location just off Lakewood Ranch Blvd with resort-style clubhouse, heated pool/spa, fitness center. Close to dining, theater, shops, I-75, University Town Center, healthcare providers among the many amenities of Lakewood Ranch. The white, sandy beaches of the Gulf of Mexico are a short drive away. Close to Sarasota-Bradenton International Airport. For more information, review the details below.